can you dehydrate this food? Let's go. Can you dehydrate cucumbers? No, don't do it because they're too high in water. What about onions? Yes, you can, but do it outside because boy, oh boy, they are stinky. What about carrots? Yes, you can, but you have to blanch them first. Otherwise, they will discolor and the flavor will go off very quickly. What about peppers? Yes, go ahead and chop, put them in the tray, and away you go. No blanching required. Can you dehydrate cheese? No, it's too high in fat. Don't do it. What about frozen vegetables? You can take them right out of the bag, pop them in the tray, and away you go because they're already pre-blanched. Bananas? Yes, you can, but don't expect your banana chips to be like store-bought banana chips because we're not deep frying them and we're not adding sulfites. So there you go. About eggs? Yes, you can dehydrate eggs, but you have to do it carefully and safely. Pre-cook them with a starch so that they rehydrate well and you're not worried about salmonella on the trail. What about quinoa? You can and you should dehydrate quinoa. It's already dry, but that doesn't matter. Pre-cook it and then dehydrate your grains. That way you'll have instant rice, pasta, or quinoa. You'll carry less fuel, you'll have quicker cooking time, and you'll be eating delicious meals more quickly. Stay tuned. The guide to homemade backcountry meals is coming this Thursday.